Yeah, good evening. Now I am going to explain 12.1 exercise 6th problem. Previously we discussed up to the 5th problem. So, ఇప్పుడు 12.1 exercise లో 6th problem. Once I will read the question. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building at an height of 6 meters to a target on the ground at an angle of depression of 60 degrees. What is the distance between you and the object? So here observer ఒక బిల్డింగ్ పైన ఉన్నాడు, ఆరోతో ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని షూట్ చేస్తున్నాడు. ఇక్కడ ల్యాండ్ పైన ఉన్న ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని షూట్ చేస్తున్నాడు. So you have to see down. So we have to bend our head so that it is angle of depression. For this you have to draw the diagram like this. The building is 6 meters high. Observer is at C at 6 meters of height. His object is on the ground. He has to shoot with the arrow from here. So ఇక్కడ నుండి ఈ హైట్ లో నుండి ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ల్యాండ్ పైన గ్రౌండ్ పైన ఉంది. హైట్ లో నుండి షూట్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ డిప్రెషన్ దిస్ ఇస్ 60 degrees. So you know that this parallel line and this parallel line you have to take these are alternate interior angles. So this 60 degrees you have to save. You remember that the distance from the you and the object, so you have to take this one, you have to take the hypotenuse. So first you write, for this you check the relation. What for with this 60 degrees angle, this will become opposite side, this will become hypotenuse. Now you write it, sin theta ratio is equal opposite side by hypotenuse. So for every problem one is known value and one is what to be find. So ప్రతి ప్రాబ్లం లో మనము ఏ వాల్యూ ఇచ్చాడో మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన వాల్యూ ఈ రెండింటికి రిలేషన్ తీసుకోవాలి. సో ఇక్కడ sin θ మనకు అవసరం, ఎందుకంటే హైపోటెనస్ ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. sin θ, సో ఇట్ ఇస్ sin 60. You take sin 60 is equal opposite side is 6 meters, hypotenuse you want to find x. Sin 60 value is √3/2. It is 6/x. We know that sin 60 value √3/2. After this you do cross multiplication like this. You will get x is equal 6 into 2 by √3, that is equal to 12 by √3. 12 by √3. So √3 is irrational in the denominator. So you have to rationalize it. You have to rationalize it. So 12 by √3. You have to multiply and divide it to √3 only. So now it becomes 12 √3 by √3 into √3. 2 times a root value multiply means you will get a root will be cancelled. So it is 3. So 3 1 3 4. Now the answer is 4 √3 meters.